How to remove third-party app access from Google. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, open settings on your phone. Scroll down and navigate to Google and select that. Now under Google Services, you simply need to select All Services option. This will vary based on your phone model. Now you simply need to access connected apps under setting for Google app and tap open it. And as you can see that 7 total apps and services have been linked to your Google account. Now tap on the app you want to remove. And at the bottom you can see delete all connections that you have with Art Puzzle. Tap on it. Now choose on confirm button. Doing so, this app will no longer have access to your Google account, and now this will remove third-party app access from Google. And similarly, you can easily remove other third-party app access from Google following the same step. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.